Hi, welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today we're making a smoked half-pound burger. But the style of the show is we're going to be glazing it in this Fuji Fuji BBQ sauce. This stuff is epic. I've been sent it over from Bubba over at Barbecue Grill, and I've put it on everything. The kids love it. Everything we have. What sauce do you want? The spicy barbecue sauce. It's sweet, it's smoky, it's got a nice kick without it being too hot. It really is nice.
So we're going to start by adding the meat. I'm using a cookie cutter, just slightly larger than the bun that I'm using. When you add your meat in, you don't want to compress it down too much, as this won't give the fat any room to expand and it will cause a ballooning effect in the middle and shrink your burger. Once finished, remove the ring, place in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. This will help set the burger. Need a low temperature for this cook, so we're only using one charcoal basket lit at one end for a steady burn through. I'm using a water pan today. We've placed that directly over the charcoal. We're just adding boiling water, and this will help keep the inside of the barbecue moist. We need a cooking temperature of around 100 degrees. The wood I'm using today is silver birch. I'm just going to open the grate and add that directly on top of the charcoal. Place the burger away from the coals for an indirect cook. We're going to take this up to around 55 degrees before we add our glaze. We've hit 55 degrees, so it's time to add the Fuji Fuji BBQ sauce, basting this all over the top and around the sides of the burger. When a few degrees away from the desired temperature, it's time to add your cheese. I'm going to move the burger over to the direct side for a sear on the bottom of the burger. We're going to get some buns onto toast. I've added a layer of mayonnaise to these, which gives us a lovely golden brown crunch. It's time to start building our burger. We'll start by adding some slices of onion. Then some slices of tomato. Finished off with iceberg lettuce. Let's get it cut open and see how we've done. Beautiful.
So I really can't wait to give this a bite. Cook's gone really well. A bit of a stall in the middle, which I was surprised about considering it's only a burger rather than a big giant of meat. I got to about 57 degrees and slowed down, but we got to the desired temperature of 64 in the end. Let's give this a bite. I can't recommend that barbecue sauce enough. It's sweet, smoky, spicy, everything complements each other. It works really well. Beautiful. So I've tried it on all sorts of different stuff. The kids are in love with it. It's definitely something to try. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Actually give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment underneath, let me know what you think of the cook. Thank you very much for watching.